In 3, 2, 1. Love when it comes without a warning, 'cause waiting for it gets so boring. A lot can change in 20 seconds. A lot can happen in the dark. Love when it makes you lose your bearings. Some information's not for sharing. Use different names and hotel check-ins. It's hard to stop it once it starts. It starts. I'm not sentimental, but there's something about the way you look tonight. Makes me wanna take a picture, make a movie with you that we had to hide. Yeah, you better lock your phone and look at me when you're alone. Won't take a lot to get you going. I'm sorry if it's torture though. I know, it might be more than an obsession. You really make a strong impression. Nobody saw me in the lobby. Nobody saw me in your arms. I'm not sentimental, but there's something about the way you look tonight. Makes me wanna make them jealous. I'm the only one who does it how you like. You better lock your phone and look at me when you're alone. Won't take a lot to get you going. I'm sorry if it's torture though. I know. You better lock your door and look at me a little more. We both know I'm worth waiting for. That heavy breathing on the floor. I'm yours. I'm yours. I'm not sentimental. I'm not sentimental. I'm not sentimental. We did it! What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this Billie Bossa Nova ukulele cover and play along from Billie Eilish's new album, Happier Than Ever. Let me know what you thought about her songs from the new album in the comments below. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Are you I actually really love it. I love this song. I think it's amazing. But as always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, if you just have recently hit that red subscribe button, welcome to the Uke fam, the best Uke fam on the YouTubes, in my personal opinion. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being awesome and clicking that red subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, if you're like Ricky, I am in the market for a new awesome uke. What is that one? I need more information. I got you. This is a tenor size Kumu ukulele. It's an absolutely amazing uke, definitely one of my favorites. It has a built-in pickup so you can change the effects, and it is thin body, and look at that wood. Delicious. I'll leave a link in the description below for the Kumu ukuleles and also the Leolani series that they do carry. Again, both of the series are absolutely chef's kiss amazing. Also, because the team over at Leolani Kumu love you, yes, you watching right there, they want you to save money when you shop over at www.leolaniukulele.com. If you use code Ricky10, you will automatically save $10 off your entire purchase. Again, use code Ricky10 and you'll save $10 off. I mean, who doesn't love free money? I know I do. So again, use code Ricky10 at checkout and you'll save $10 off. So thank you so much to the team over at Leolani Kumu. And finally, links to all of my socials and merch. Currently wearing my hoodie right here, logo for our channel. That will be all down in the description below. So make sure to go down there, leave some love on the socials. And that's pretty much it. Let me know what songs you love from the album you want to see on this channel. We're going to do all of them, hints. So make sure you're subscribed if you are a Billie Eilish fan. But let me know if you have any that you prefer to do first, because I'm going to do all of them. But if I get enough comments or requests in the comment section to do like, I don't know, getting older or whatever, in the comments, I will do those first. Let me know what your thoughts are. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.